Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create Google account. Okay, first of all tap on Gmail account. Okay, just tap on profile icon and click on add another account. Okay, just tap, click on Google and continue. Then tap on create account for myself and just first name, type first name, okay, then next and month, okay, gender and next. Select Gmail title and next and just tap password and to create Google account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.